What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Chevy Silverado, completely redone. They did a real nice job on this truck and the dash and the radio, everything. We ended up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm on this vehicle right here. So if anybody, pretty much the only way the factory alarm goes off, everybody knows that if they open a door. So nobody in the right mind is going to open a door. They're going to bust out the window and jump in, take whatever they need to take out of your car or the whole car or the whole truck or whatever they need to do. So adding the shock sensor, that takes care of that. So if any banging around the vehicle, they break a window, they try to bust out that keyhole, I'll set off the alarm. Well, if they bust out the keyhole, it's because they're planning to open the door and the factory alarm's going to go off anyway. But most likely, probably they're not even going to do that. They'll probably just break a window and try to get in without opening any of the doors. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass. I'll show you now with the shock sensor installed. Without the shock sensor, you can take a baseball bat and destroy this whole truck and nothing will happen. But now that we installed the shock sensor, I'll show you the first window. Gives you the countdown. And then the whole alarm's going to set off. Shuts it off. Pretty much protects all the windows, including that back glass. I'm banging the side, and the factory alarm's going to go off as well. It is fully adjustable. The shock sensor is very easy to adjust. Normally when we install the unit, I like to show customers how to tweak it. If they need to turn it up and down, they can do that themselves without having to call us back. Yeah, this is a must upgrade if you have this type of truck, because somebody breaks a window with the factory alarm, nothing's going to happen. So this is a very nice upgrade to incorporate it to the same factory alarm. That way you don't have to carry another fob around or nothing like that. Okay. Alright. And this one came with the remote start from factory. It's pretty nice. It came with that from factory. We didn't install that, but it came from factory with the... And then the dash, you know, they did a real nice job on the truck. Yeah. Everything is digital. Real nice. Very impressed. This concludes this installation here on this 2024 Chevy Silverado shock sensor add-on upgrade. For those who live up north, no problem. Just go ahead and give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. If you're out of state, we're in Miami, Florida. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.